Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing how to make Avla Murabba. It's very simple recipe and so here I have taken half kg of Avla. So now we have to poke and make holes to it. So this is the way I'm gonna make holes. Now we are gonna pierce the Avlas. This is also called gooseberry. Make sure that you pierce it properly and hold the Avla tightly, or else you might get hurt with the fork. Pierce it as much as inside as you can. You can see now we have pierced it properly. Now we have to give the avlas a boil. So for that we'll be adding in 2.5 glasses of water. So now we have added 2.5 glass of water. Now we have to bring the water to the boil and then we'll be adding in the avlas. Now the water has started to get a boil. So now to this we'll be adding in the avlas. We'll add in the avlas slowly one by one. So now we have added the avlas. Now to this we'll be adding in a small alum. We are adding in the alum to the water so that the sour and the bitter taste of the avlas get absorbed, so that it is removed from the avlas. So you have to cook it like this for around 2 minutes. You must not overcook it. Make sure you keep it only for 2 minutes. Now 2 minutes are over. Make sure that you add the avlas to the boiling water. So now we'll off the flame and we'll cover it and we'll keep it for 1 hour. We have kept it for 1 hour. 1 hour is complete. So now we will take the avlas and we will press it a bit so that the water gets removed, and then we keep it in the plates. So we'll keep the rest all avlas also. Here I have taken 350 grams of sugar for half kg of avla. So now we'll be adding the sugar to the kadhaiya. Transfer the sugar completely. Now to this we'll be adding in the avla. Make sure that it's at very low flame. The flame should be very low, then only avlas will absorb the sugar. To this we'll be adding around 2 spoons of water. Now keep it like this and let the sugar melt. Keep it like this for 5 minutes. Now 5 minutes are over. Now you can see that the sugar is almost about to melt. You can see it has melted a bit. So now we have to we'll give it a mix now, and now we'll again cover it and keep it for around 25 minutes, and then after 25 minutes we have to again mix it. So we'll cover it now. 25 minutes are over. You can see that the color has changed and the sugar syrup has melted completely. It has become brownish color and you can see the color of the avlas also. So now we'll keep it again. We'll cover it again and cook it for again another 30 minutes. So we'll cover it and make sure it's at low flame only. Don't increase the flame. So we'll cover it and keep it for under half an hour. Now you can see another 25 minutes is over and you can see how this looks. You can see the color, it has become slight brown. You can see the sugar syrup also, it is very watery, but if you keep it for around 7 to 8 hours it will become in a thickness of honey. So this sugar syrup will start to become more thick and it will take some time, and this will be ready to eat and serve within 8 to 9 hours. So this is how it looks. Now we'll close the flame and we'll keep it like this. And we'll see how it looks after 8 to 7 hours. Now you can actually make it cool at room temperature, and after it cools down you can store it in any glass jar, and then it will take some time to thicken. The syrup will take time to thicken. After it thickens, it looks just like the consistency of the honey. So now you can see 7 to 8 hours are over and this is ready to eat, and you can see how it looks. The syrup has thickened, and this is also called gooseberry sweet pickle. हमारे आंवले के मुरब्बे is ready. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.